thank you very much indeed for joining me for this special edition where we're going to give away this bowl we made last week. It's an African mahogany bowl with a resin inlay, and it really is quite a remarkable piece of wood. The chatoyance in the wood makes it look like it's almost on fire. It's one piece I would really love to have kept, but unfortunately I have to give it away to one of you, so that's fine. The other half of this, by the way, I have sent over to a good friend of mine, a gentleman called William Kenny, who's also got a YouTube channel. And I'm sure that he's going to be turning it fairly soon. There's a link to his channel at the bottom of my page, my YouTube page, so please go and check him out and we'll see what he can do with it. Now, the way this works is that we have 20 qualifying videos where people who have left a comment, their names will be put into a hat, put into a website, and that website will choose one winner from each video. So there will be 20 names going forward into the final draw to win this bowl. At the moment, I don't know who that person is. We haven't done it yet. So if you're watching this video now thinking, I haven't been contacted, I can't have won, then don't worry, no one's been contacted because we don't know who's won. And the only way you'll get to find out if you've won or not is to watch to the end of the video. When I'm done talking, I'm going to hand you over to VoiceOver Mike, who will be sat at the computer, and he's going to put all the names in the proverbial hat and draw one final winner. We moved into this workshop, I think it's about 4.5 months ago now, and things are going brilliantly. The place is as messy as ever, so I would turn the cameras round, but you'll get a shock. But I will tidy up soon and do you another quick workshop tour when I get back from holiday. In case you hadn't heard, I'm on holiday next week, but I have made a video, so you've got something to watch while I'm away. Over the last few months, we've made projects with lasers. We've done a lot of work with the new bandsaw we've got, and they've led to some very interesting pieces. I've got some more fantastic pieces of wood sat behind the cameras, which I'm not going to show you yet, and they're going to hopefully produce something very unusual, shall we say. In other news, we've just launched a new website, so I'd like to thank everyone who's popped along and a few of you who have made purchases as well. I'm very grateful for that. I'm going to be doing a proper launch of the website when I get back from holiday. We'll probably do some discounts, some giveaways, and might produce another bowl as well. If you haven't had a chance to have a look at the site yet, then just go to mikeholton.co.uk or mikeholton.net. They both end you up at the same place. All the merchandise that's available in the shop, things like this t-shirt, are available for international delivery. They're all produced in the country or very, very near to where you are, so you don't have to worry about very, very high postage costs or long delivery times. All the money that's raised from the website and from the Patreon all get put back into the channel to keep it going. It keeps us being able to buy wonderful pieces of wood and machinery to make exciting pieces. So all your support is put back into the channel, and for that I thank you all very, very much indeed. Right, I think it's time that we gave this little thing away. So good luck to everyone, and thank you all for your support. I shall see you all very soon. Okay, we're just about ready to start the process of choosing our final winner. We have selected 20 names from the last 20 qualifying videos, and I shall just paste these names into here. All right, we'll go through them. We've got Brian Blitz, Miri Myers, Northern Humidor, Citrus the Wizard, William Riley, Chris Payne, LOTG is Cool, David Bird, John Klein, William Kenny, MGH, Sean Butler, Nana Lefebvre, if I pronounced that incorrectly, I do apologise, OK Hall, 82nd Airborne Vet, Tirani, Matt Graham, Susan Burrows, Colin Watmore, and Matthew King. So the next thing for me to do is to hit the return button, and as soon as I do that, the winner's name will appear where the word thing 2 is at the moment. Okay, so you're all ready? Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Miri Myers. Congratulations, Miri. If you can get in touch, and then we shall arrange postage of the bowl out to you as soon as I get back from holiday. But everyone else, thank you very, very much indeed for taking part, and better luck next time. But thank you all. And to everyone else, so sorry you didn't win this time, but thank you so, so much for your support. Well, that's it from me. I'm off on holiday in a couple of days' time. There's still a video coming out next week, but I shall see you all when I return. Thank you.